Hi everyone, let's talk makeup, and today I want to do lip swatches and a review of this Sephora set. It came out a little bit ago. I got it as soon as it was released on the website. It's the Sephora Favorites Give Me Some lip kit. I really like these lip kits because it lets me try out a bunch of new makeup lip products, and usually pushes me a little bit out of my comfort zone, which I'm totally okay doing, especially when it comes to the lipstick. You usually get a good number of lip products here, most of them minis, but then some full size. So I'll start with that. Actually, it looks like we only get one full size in this particular lip kit, and that would be the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in Ruby, and this is a matte. So this is a full size. All the other ones are minis. So let's start with the lip swatches, and then we'll move on to review at the very end. So give me a minute and we'll get started. And I thought we would start with this Tarte Cosmetics H2O gloss in Bora. Is it Bora? all the information comes in the back here. But here it is. It looks like it is more of a lip topper. But let me show you what it looks like just on its own on my lips. Alright, so one thing about this applicator, it's this like doe foot applicator thing. This is not my favorite. It's very, as you're applying it, it's not the strongest little bit. Now I don't know if that's just for this mini size, if in the full size it's a little bit better, but this can work on its own. I was a little afraid that it would only work as a lip topper and on its own, but it does work on its own. It just gives the lips a like purple kind of over the way. It is very glossy, a little bit sticky. I'm not a huge fan of glosses, and this one is a little bit too sticky for my personal taste. So yeah, but this is the Tarte Cosmetics H2O gloss. All right, let's move on to the next one. Okay, the next one is the Urban Decay High Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss, and this one's in the color, is it SPL? I think so. All right, let's try it. So this one looks like a lip topper as well. You can see on there, but let's see what it looks like on the lips. So I like the doe foot applicator on this one better. I think you can see on there. It's sturdier, it makes it easier to apply. It has like a minty smell to it and a minty feel. I don't feel plumping, but it definitely like tingles a little bit. So if you don't like that, you probably won't like this product at all. It is much more of a lip topper. It's also giving me a little bit more of a pink color than the Tarte Cosmetics, but I think both of these are very, very similar. I don't think that I needed both of them in this particular kit, but we got both of them. So let's go on to the next one. Okay, so the next one is a product that is also entirely new to me. I had not tried any of the glosses from Tarte or Urban Decay, but this is the Bite Beauty, and it is the Prismatic Multi-Stick in Pink Pearl. So the thing with these is that you can use them as either kind of like highlights or face products and as lip products. So let's try it as a lip product first. Okay, it's super shimmery, it's super pink. I don't know, it is more comfortable in the glosses, but for me this would also work much better as a lip topper than like as a lip product on its own. I mean, it does work as a lip product on its own, like it's pigmented and it shows up. It's just, it's not my cup of tea. But let's try it on the face. I'm gonna go in with my finger and see if it'll work. Oh yeah, okay. I don't think I want to do this as a highlighter. If you like a pink highlight, you'll definitely like this one. Let me just show you the swatch of it here. This is it. So if you like a very pinky highlight, then this might be for you. It is definitely not for me, so I'm gonna need to blend that out a little here. I really like Bite Beauty. This one feels a lot more comfortable on the lips than the other two glosses did. But again, these are all products that for me would work more as a lip topper rather than as lip products on their own. All right, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so this one is the Kat Von D lipstick in Love Craft, and this, I really like Kat Von D lipsticks, and this is the color that I don't have, so I was very excited to try it. Let me show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's on the nude side, but it is a nude that I would feel comfortable wearing. Like, I could even wear it with this eye look, I think, because the eye look is very dramatic. And so it actually does call for kind of a little bit of this kind of color. I think it would work fine. I really like this formula. It is a matte formula, but it is a very wearable matte formula, at least for me. I have very dry lips, and so even though I like liquid lipsticks, I like matte lipsticks, they don't always work for me. But this Kat Von D formula, I do really, really like, and so I am glad to have this color in my collection now. And so the last one, I'll be right back. And this is the last one. So this is the the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in Ruby. This is a very pretty red, I think. It's the first time that I'm wearing this red, and I do really, really like it on my skin tone. It is a matte lipstick. Here's the hand swatch. It is a matte lipstick, as I said, but it is also a comfortable matte. It's probably just as comfortable as the Kat Von D, maybe a little less. Right now it's feeling a little more drying than the Kat Von D, but that is also because I've been swatching lip products. Because normally with this formula, I have no issues with it. It wears really nicely throughout the day. It won't stay on through food, but it can stay on through some light drinking and sipping. It is a formula that I do really, really like and recommend if you like matte lipsticks. If you find a color in the line that you like, I do recommend it. And I'm happy to have this red now that I've put it on here. One last lipstick to go. I'll be right back. All right, so this is the liquid lipstick in the kit. It is from Grand Lips Plumping Liquid Lipstick in the color Smoked Sherry. This is a really gorgeous color. So I tried it on the other day, and the minute I put it on, I knew that this was a color that I would love. And sure enough, I love, love, love it on me. It's a little bit purpley mauvey, and it's just perfection. I like liquid lipsticks. Once it dries or sets on the lips, it is transfer proof, and it lasted for me. So the day that I wore it for like 3 hours. Then I had an ice cream popsicle, and it wore off a little bit in the inner rim, but not too much. It's still, most of it still stayed on my lips in a way that I was comfortable leaving the house without reapplying it. And then it lasted a few more hours, and then it wore off finally when I sat down to eat dinner. But I was just so impressed with the longevity of it, with the color. It is a matte lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick, so it's a little bit drying on the lips, but not uncomfortably so. There are some liquid lipsticks that to me are just very hard to wear because they suck everything out of your lips. This one is not it. It's much more comfortable. Now, it says plumping. I don't notice it doing any actual plumping, but when it goes on, you feel the like mintiness, a little bit tingly in it, but that's it, and it wears off very quickly, and it's not a big deal for me. I can't handle like things that are going to be too irritating on the lips, but this one is fine. This is the hand swatch over here. So yeah, let me show you the hand swatches of all of them. This is the liquid lipstick here. Next is the Kat Von D in Ruby. Then is the Bite Beauty. This is the Bite, oh no, sorry, that's not. Then is the Kat Von D in Lovecraft. Then it's the Bite Beauty here in Pink Pearl. And then the two glosses down here. The top one is the Urban Decay. And then the bottom one is the Tarte H2O. Is the whole kit worth it? So for $28, I feel like if you're going to get use out of all of these lip products, it is worth it. I think it is. If you know yourself, you know you're going to get use out of it. Now, is it worth it for me? Is it worth it for you? For me personally, it's not. It's not, and that's really because of these two glosses. They're minis, so they're super small, and they're not, like, they're toppers, and I don't normally wear lip toppers, and I don't like glosses. Should I have known that when I bought it? Yeah, I totally should have known that and not bought it. But I really wanted to try it. I never heard of the Grand Lips line. I knew I really liked the Anastasia Beverly Hills formula, and I knew I liked the Kat Von D. I wanted to try this one, and I wanted to give the glosses a shot. So in terms of trying it, I don't regret the decision, but if I had seen reviews of this before I purchased it, I probably would have just passed on it, just because I am really glad because, and I'm not going to return this lip kit because I really love the Grand Lips liquid lipstick, and I like the Lovecraft, the Kat Von D one, and the Anastasia Beverly Hills. So there's enough in here for me to keep it. Hopefully you found this useful, and let me know if you're planning on getting it, or after seeing the swatches and the review, if you're thinking you're gonna pass on it. They have a nude lip set that is actually currently on sale. I am done with nude lips, so I was not going to get that. Plus, they looked way too light on my skin tone. For my skin tone, so I passed on the give me some nude lip kit. But let me know if you got that one, and if you're planning on getting this one. I'd love to know. Or if you already got it, let me know what you think. Kind of interested. All right, that is it for me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.